and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to be doing a little update review on the WRS screen that I have put on my TRK. The screen is a sort of intermediate screen, so it is halfway between the tall touring screens and the normal manufactured standard screen. I'll put the dimensions up now so you can see how tall the screen actually is compared to the standard one. I have to say that I'm very pleased with it. I'm getting no buffeting from the screen at high speed, which I was worried about because it is quite a lot lower than the Touring touring screen that I had on. The problem with the Touring screen, it was at that level where it was just in my eye line, and so I was either ducking down and looking through the screen or I was looking over the screen, and it became a real bind when you were riding at night, because looking through the screen, especially if it was raining, it was very difficult to see where you were going. And even if you were peering over the top of the screen, it was difficult to identify potholes and things in the road coming up, because you couldn't look down at the eye level you needed to be because you were looking through the screen and you just couldn't see. So with this new screen, it is a lot better, I must report. It is a happy balance. I do feel a little bit of wind blast around the very top of my head. It's just above my peak. At this level here, that is in calm, but when I get to there, that is where I feel it's right on the very top of my head. And it's clean air and it doesn't cause me any turbulence. It's not shaking my head about, but I can hear the wind noise in my helmet, if that makes sense. But yeah, very pleased. This is highly recommended, this screen. I've been looking for something for a long time now because it has been a bugbear, one of the very few things that I've disliked about the Benelli TRK, and it was the screen. So yeah, very happy with the screen. I'll put on the screen now how much the screen cost and where I got it from. So folks, only a short video today. There's not much more I can say about it really. Yep, that's all I can say about it. It does what it says on the tin. It gives you a good protection. You're in a nice calm bubble of air. You've got no wind blast on your arms or your shoulders or your face. For me and my stature, just a tiny bit of just on the very top of your helmet. So yeah, does what it says on the tin. Well, I'd just like to say thank you very much to everybody who has recently subscribed to the channel, and obviously everybody who's been a subscriber for a while now. Thank you for keeping the faith. I'm due back to work in around about 8 days, so I'm frantically trying to get as much footage in the can so that I've got videos that I can post up and schedule while I'm away overseas working. Well, all that's left to say for me now is a thank you very much for watching this video. If you have liked the video, please give it the big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, tick the notification bell, blah all the normal Facebook stuff. But seriously, everybody out there, ride safe, keep yourself safe. Bike Rider Reviews out.